Hey y'all, today we are going to make a new dessert. It's Blueberry Delight. First thing that you need to do is get you some graham crackers, crush them up. You can do them in a Ziploc bag with a rolling pin, or you can do them in a food processor. Or you can buy crumbs, cracker crumbs. You can buy those sometimes already done. Take that, a whole stick of melted butter, and a quarter of a cup of sugar. Mix it all together in a bowl, and then press it in the bottom of your 9x13 baking dish. Then take this baking dish and put it in the fridge or freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. Make it really good and cold. Okay? You need 8 ounces cream cheese. You need a cup of powdered sugar. You're going to put about 8 ounces. You're going to need 16 ounces of whipped topping. But you're going to divide it. Completely combined because you're still not done with it. Alright, so I need about half of a large 16-ounce container of Cool Whip. Now, 21-ounce can of blueberry pie filling. Take your Cool Whip, the remainder, you're going to spread over the top. Almost forgot this last step. Sprinkle your graham cracker crumbs that you reserved at the beginning over the top. I think really half a cup is a little bit. Alright, 2 hours in the fridge and then you're done with this one. Hey y'all, today we're going to do a no-bake chocolate peanut butter dessert. So I've already taken some Oreo cookies and crushed them and made a crust out of them and placed them in a 9-inch square pan, or it can be an 8x8, that's fine too, with a little bit of butter, and you can look below for all the measurements. So I've got that, crushed and pressed and put in the fridge to chill. And now we're going to start making the filling, the different fillings for it. So you're going to need a mixing bowl, and a hand mixer or a stand mixer is fine. You need a whole brick of cream cheese, so that's 8 ounces, softened, and you're going to need a cup of confectioner sugar and a half a cup of peanut butter It didn't specify if you wanted creamy or crunchy. I don't think it really matters. Just whatever. Okay. All right, we need to combine this. I got 2 8-ounce containers of Cool Whip because that's the only way they had it at the store. You don't have to do it this way, but you will have to take a 16-ounce container and divide it. So this, you know, for me, it makes it easier. So I'm going to go ahead and add that. Okay, so fold it in the whipped topping, and then we're supposed to spread this over the crust. I need half of my peanut butter cups that are chopped, and sprinkle them everywhere. So the next thing you need to do is set this aside. And I made a box of chocolate pudding according to the directions. Okay. And then you're supposed to mix in the remaining Cool Whip or whipped topping. Crush some more Oreos and you'll sprinkle that over the top. Hey y'all, this is a dessert that's supposed to be real easy to prepare. It's a pineapple layered dessert, no bake. You need to take about 1.5 sleeves of graham crackers and crush those. You can do it in a food processor or with a rolling pin in a Ziploc bag. And then take 1/2 cup of melted butter, mix with it, press it in the bottom of an 8x8 pan, and then take this and set it in the fridge to chill just a little bit while you get the filling ready. So let me do that real quick. Alright, so in a mixing bowl you need 6 ounces of softened cream cheese. You also need 1/2 stick of melted butter. You need to mix those with a mixer. slowly stir in 2 cups of powdered sugar. And I'm just going to I'll go ahead and add a couple tablespoons of the pineapple because it is very dry. Hoping that'll help. Now, you need to spread this mixture onto your pie crust. You need 8 ounces of Cool Whip in a mixing bowl. Okay, and the rest of your pineapple. Mix all that together. I did reserve some of the graham cracker crumbs to sprinkle on top. For at least 5 hours, this will have to chill. And you're all done.